In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your website using Hostinger, and we'll guide you through it all in just 5 minutes. Now, a favicon is that small icon that appears next to your website's name in a web browser tab, and it's an important part of your site's branding identity. It's a small detail, but it makes a significant difference in how people remember your site. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Hostinger website. The URL is easy to remember, just go to Hostinger's homepage using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login button prominently displayed on the screen, so go ahead and click on that. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard. This is where you can access all the tools and settings for managing your website. Look for the option labeled Home, which can easily be found on the dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the core section where you can view all your hosted websites. Once at the home section, you'll see various options related to your hosted sites. The task at hand is to edit your website, so find the Edit Website button and click it. This will open up a new set of options specifically for modifying elements on your site. Within this new menu, you'll find an option labeled More Settings. This is usually at the end of the listed options, so scroll down if necessary and select it to proceed. Here, you're getting closer to adding that favicon. Now, from the expanded menu options, look for the General Settings button and click on it. This section hosts various customizable facets of your website, allowing you to adjust elements according to your preference. Finally, it's time to locate and click on the favicon button. This brings up the interface where you can upload your desired favicon image. A good tip here is to ensure your favicon image is clear and easily recognizable at small sizes, typically 16x16 pixels, which is the standard favicon size. Once you have your favicon uploaded, save the changes, and there you go. Your website will now feature your selected favicon, adding that final touch of professionalism and branding to your site. Remember, while it seems like a minor detail, having a favicon helps your site stand out and is a crucial part of brand recognition. So take a few moments to follow these steps and make your website instantly more memorable. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the enhancements you've made to your site.